Hey everyone, it's Scott. Today I'm giving you a quick look at Franklin Sensor's stud detector. Now it's different from regular ones. Instead of just having one light, this one has lots of LEDs, and so the idea being it shows you where the studs are. Now, I already marked with the tape where the studs are on this piece of wall, so let's give it a try. And you see it indicates the width of the wall, and as I move the detector, so do the lights move. Let's try it over here, move it up a touch. Same deal. There we go. It's the edge of the wall, so I think it's gotten a little confused there, but it works. It's pretty cool. It's more fun than my regular detector. It's more expensive though, but I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.
Hit the subscribe button if you're interested in seeing my other videos, including DIY projects, smart home products, solar, battery backup, and internet for your home.